With this template, you can create and save invoices and track accounts receivable KPIs. It is quite easy to use. Enter your settings. Enter customer data. Create and save sales invoices. Enter payments received for each invoice. This sheet allows you to create an invoice, to save it as a PDF file, and to save sales data. Invoice number appears automatically from last saved invoice number. Select payment terms. Enter invoice date. Select the customer. Select products or services, enter quantities and VAT rates. Invoice subtotal, VAT, total amount, and due date appear automatically. Sales sheet allows you to monitor total sales, collected sales, and accounts receivable. Use slicers and autofilter to sort and filter data.